everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I've got this ECM espresso machine here. So this machine had a broken heating element. I'm not sure exactly what happened with the machine, but it's likely that maybe it was running dry with no water in the boiler, and probably that broke the heating element, but we're not sure exactly. So I did replace it, and the machine is completely heated up now, so I just wanted to show you the steam first. Purge that so we can cool it down a little. Just cooling down the boiler. Here's the mess. Okay. And then we can I'll just stop the shot there, just to show you that the machine is working. Got a nice crema, and that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.